Hey everyone, hope you're doing okay. Just wanted to give you a quick reminder that fall is a good time to do a flower bed application, a flower bed pre-emergent application. We typically do 3 applications a year. 2 to 3 is best. Spring, summer, and fall on the flower bed pre-emergent. With the flower bed pre-emergent, keep in mind that it's not 100% coverage. It's not going to completely prevent weeds in your flower beds. You can usually expect about a 70% reduction in weeds for a flower bed application. So you're still going to have to get out there and pull weeds by hand manually to keep them perfectly clean. But it does help tremendously when you're doing to do a flower bed application. Also, with the flower bed application, you want to do a granular. I talked about how liquid is the best option for your turf, and I gave the reasons why. But with the flower bed application, stick with a granular. You don't want to be spraying an herbicide all over your plants, all over your flowers, everything like that. So stay away from the liquids. Use a granular. The granulars will just roll off the leaves of your plants and fall down to the soil, to the bare areas, to the mulch. That's where you want it, and that's what you want. So stick with the granular. Also, if you're planning on putting seasonal color, any areas where you have seasonal color, keep your pre-emergent out of those areas. Do not put pre-emergent anywhere near where you're putting seasonal color, because that will affect your seasonal color. It will kill it. It won't thrive. It won't grow, and it'll eventually die off a lot sooner than it would otherwise. So just keep that in mind. And if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.